Well, there's nothing like taking on some fuel at the fuel dock and realizing your starboard motor's not starting. So tried it a few more times, nothing changed. Just keep pressing it.
This is what happened before.
And figured out that it's not going to start. So what we did was diagnose the problem. Went down to the engine room and realized that we snapped the ring terminal right off the starter. So we improvised. Put 2 zip ties on there to get it going. It worked. Now the next stop. Head into the boat store. Jump in the Bahamas taxi, and on my way I go. Found what I needed. Time to cut the zip ties off. Inspected the terminal because the wire was too short, so we had to save as much as we could, and found the right connection. After 3 stores later, I found what I needed. A beefier terminal is going to help from snapping, hopefully. Now, crimp it down, make sure it's nice and snug. Do the pull test, pass that.
You're good though, I'm pushing on it.
After everything's tightened down, moment of truth. And she starts. Now that only calls for a sea trial. Back in business.
I'm gonna fight 'em all.